Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 50, sy is equal to 600. Solution. Here, s plus y is equal to 50. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 600. Let us call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 50. Then y is equal to 50 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, xy is equal to 600. We can now substitute for y here, which is 50 minus x. X bracket 50 minus x bracket is equal to 600. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by 50, this is 50 s minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 600. Let us equate everything into 0 by bringing this 600 to this side. 50x minus s squared minus 600 is equal to 0. Now let's put this in standard form. We have minus s squared plus 50x minus 600 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. This divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, and this divided by minus 1. Then is 0 also divided by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1, we have s squared plus 50s divided by minus 1. This is minus 50x minus 600 divided by minus 1. This is plus 600 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. Then s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 50, c is equal to 600. Then we know that discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. This is equal to minus 50 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 600. Discriminant d is equal to minus 50 square, that is 2500, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 600, this is 2400. Discriminant d is equal to 2500 minus 2400, that is 100. But 100 is same thing as 10 square. S is equal to 50 plus or minus square root of 10 square over 2. And this is same thing as 50 plus or minus this square cancel this. We have 10 over 2. S is equal to 50 plus 10 over 2. S is equal to 50 plus 10 over 2, or S is equal to 50 minus 10 over 2. S1 is equal to 50 plus 10. This is 60 over 2, and this is equal to 30. and S2 is equal to 50 minus 10. This is 40 over 2, and this is equal to 20. These are the value of S1 and S2. We've gotten the value of S1 and S2. Let us solve for Y1 and Y2. From equation 3, Y is equal to 50 minus X. Y1 is equal to 50 minus X1 is 30. Y1 is equal to 50 minus 30. This is 20. This is the value of Y1. Also, from here, Y2 is equal to 50 minus S2. Y2 is equal to 50 minus S2 is 20. Y2 is equal to 50 minus 20, that is 30. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are X1, Y1 is equal to 30, 20, and S2, Y2, this is equal to 20, 30. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 50. SY is equal to 600. Now, let us consider this. S plus Y, this is same thing as 30 plus 20 must be equal to 50. Then 30 plus 20, this is 50, is equal to 50, which is true. Now let's consider this. SY here is 30 multiplied by 20 must be equal to 600. Then 30 multiplied by 20, this is 600, is equal to 600, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.